gold net is Valeria Torres Martinez from Carthage, Bentley Soltes from Carthage. Two wrestlers on the gold mat, Torres Martinez and Showtites. Up next on the black mat, we have Jackson Bunchel from South Jeff and Blaine Gigo from Carthage. You are up next on the black mat. On deck on the gold mat, we have Carter Seps from Carthage, Jax Expert from General Round. We are
she's already here.
Bunchel and Gigo, you are on the black mat right now. Katie Williams from South Louis and Kate O'Connor from Carthage, you are on